Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to build a mob grinder in survival mode. I will be building it in creative mode just because it is faster, but if you follow my 10 easy steps you should be able to build this no problem, and then you will have a great XP farm for your survival world. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so step number 1 is you need to make the room the correct size for the grinder. So the dimensions for the room are 5 high, so you have 1, 2, 3 here already, so you just dig down 2, and it needs to be 9 by 9. Step 2 is you need to build a canal right underneath the spawner. So you need to make it just 1 block deep and 8 blocks long. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make a 1 by 1 deep canal, 8 long, and then you go down again and make another one that is 8 long. Then you put water in it. Pretty straightforward. Next step is building the funnel that leads into the canal. It's very easy. Basically, you need to make you need to count 8 blocks back. So 1, 2, 3. Just count 5 more back here, and you kind of just make like clear out 1 block underneath and make it go 8 blocks back, and do that on both sides. Here is what it needs to look like after you've completed steps 1, 2, and 3. Step 4 is you need to build the elevator shaft. So you need to count 24 blocks up, and you go to dig up 24 blocks, go over 3, and then dig down 24 blocks. Step 5 is you need to place signs on every other block in the elevator shaft. You also need to place a sign over here. The next step after that is step 6, and that is you need to place water in between each of the signs. So just get a bucket full of water. Step 7 is you need to build your spawn room, or your grinder room. When you make your grinder room, make sure you put a slab right here so the monsters can't escape, and if you want you can build a little trash can right here. Step 8 is you need to make the crusher part. So basically put 2 sticky pistons behind the back of the elevator, and then put redstone here and here, here, and then you just put a lever. 1 second, you just put a lever right here, and then you have step 9 is you need to create your kind of entrance to the grinder area. This is more just for decoration, so you can work on your feng shui or whatever it is. after you've made your little entrance to the grander area, you now come to the final step, which is building your surface access. I've already done this because it would take a long time to do. Pretty much just build up, not that hard. Is pretty much how you build a mob grinder. Not that hard, just follow the steps, make sure you have all the measurements right, and you should do great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and like, comment, and subscribe.